Now let me tell you a little bit about our Edgemate real wood veneer sheets. Now these veneer sheets come in a box all nicely rolled up. These sheets right here come nicely rolled up. All right, we'll just leave it rolled up and I could show you the inside right here. Now, these are all hand-sorted premium A-grade veneers. Available sheet sizes include 2x8, such as this one, 4x8, and 4x10. Now, these sheets come in either 2-ply backing, 10 mil backing, as I have here, or PSA backing. And they are available in a variety of different wood species, such as African mahogany, cherry, hickory, maple, red oak, royal mahogany, walnut, white birch, and white oak. Not only do these sheets look good, they also are flexible and very easy to work with. The veneer can be adhered to substrates with contact adhesive, hot press, and cold press glues, or if you're getting the PSA backed, the sheets come with a pressure sensitive adhesive made by 3M, peel and stick, ready to go.